Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by getting directly to the network controls. Power on the Skyworth TV and use the remote to open settings, then choose network or connections. Once there, scan the visible entries for Scan QR, Wi-Fi Quick Connect, or Wi-Fi sharing options. These are the common toggles that enable the QR overlay. Toggle the QR or Quick Connect option off immediately to remove the visible Scan QR code. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the change to take effect before moving to the next step. If you don't find a simple toggle, move on to disabling the responsible app. First check apps, then system apps for any QR, Wi-Fi share, or Quick Connect app and disable or force stop it. That often removes the overlay. Once done, if the app is system level, enable developer options and USB debugging on the TV, connect with ADB from your computer, list packages, and use a DB shell PM disable user or uninstall for user to remove the QR package. Make sure you confirm package names before changing them. Finish by rebooting the TV so settings and app changes take effect. Once done, verify the QR code no longer appears on Wi-Fi screens. If it persists, go back through network settings and system apps in case a secondary toggle remains, and consider undoing any recent firmware or launcher modifications that reintroduce the feature. If disabling via ADB caused issues, boot into safe mode or restore a backup. Key troubleshooting tip: if anything breaks, contact Skyworth support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.